Hello everyone. So today what I am going to tell you, I am telling you one important and that is totally free app for speaking English and you can improve your spoken English. But one thing I am telling you before to speaking that if you want to be fluent in spoken English, you have to just speak it out. Without speaking, you just can't have any replacement of using any app, using other thing, user that thing. So you have to be speak it out. You have to be understand it. Second thing, this app will helpful and will enhance, will polish up your skills when you are going to speak. So when you have this app, you will just have a uh, different person. Okay, so I am just telling you about this app. So you are just thinking about it now, which name this app should be. So I am telling you the app of this name is Talk Now. Okay, you can able to talk to any random person with unlimited times. Okay, how much time you want, how much time they want, there is no limitation of time. You can talk you and you can continue your conversation. Okay, so this is your beneficial point that you may overcome your problem and they also can overcome their problem. Okay, so when you get to be continuously speaking and continuously talking to second person, then and there will be an enhance in your confidence. The confidence will build up and ultimately you can able to speak very clearly and very efficient way. You just have to download it from Play Store. You can easily download and use it in the online mode. You have to firstly do it in an online mode, and then there is a one break of it would just be 15 to 20 second or 30 second. Then after you can connect with to other person. It's your wish to continue with that or you want other person. It's totally depend on your wish. Okay, but you should not be talk illegally, or you should not use any personal question to them. Okay, there may be one benefit if you will talk if you, effectively friendly and friendly. So if you talk friendly, then there may be a lot of friends to you and you can connect with them and talk to daily basis. Okay, I have a 3 to 4 friends that I have met through this app, and using that thing I just talk to them in English, and this and a very good friendship and a very good what to say link we are having in English. So it just helped me out to speak very fluently, and they told me, sister, you are doing mistake in this point, you are doing mistake on that point, you have to overcome your what is your expression. Everything they tell me, and this would help me as a improvement. Okay, so I just improved this all are the points I improve on that basis, and I just suggest you to use this video, use this app that is Talk Now. Okay, so use it and take benefit from it. Okay, and tell me in the comment section how was this app you feel like. Okay, and if you like this information, so please help show me in a comment section. Okay, thank you.